In today's video, I will teach you how to create a page curl effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a page curl effect in GIMP can add a dynamic and realistic touch to your images. First, we're going to create a canvas. To do this, open GIMP and create a new canvas with the dimensions of 760 by 700 pixels. Then choose a background color or texture. For example, you can use a carbon fiber pattern and apply lighting effects to enhance it. Now we're going to create the paper. To do this, create a new transparent layer. Then select the Rectangle Select tool and draw a rectangle on the new layer. Then go to Select, then choose Rounded Rectangle, and set the radius to 2, then click OK. Now, fill the selected rectangle with this color. Then go to Filters, Noise, then choose HSV Noise, and apply the default settings. Your rectangle should now have a textured appearance. Now to create the curl or fold, select the Paths tool and draw a triangle around the corner that you want to curl. For example, if you choose the top left corner, your path should look like a triangle encompassing that corner. Now press Enter to activate the path. Now go to Tools, Transform Tools, then Rotate. Then slide the angle bar to around 180 degrees, then click OK. In the Layers window, you should see a floating selection called Transformation. Ensure it is highlighted and click the Create New Layer button to anchor it. Now, position the corner correctly if it has moved slightly. Now, with the transformation layer selected, go to Filters, Light and Shadow, then choose Drop Shadow. Then change the settings to the following. Then click OK to apply the shadow. Then your image should now look like the corner is curling with a shadow underneath. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.